Debunking the myth, knuckle cracking and arthritis. Today we're busting the myth. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? When you crack your knuckles, tiny bubbles in the joint fluid burst. Studies show no direct link to arthritis. In fact, a doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand for 50 years with no issues. While it might annoy your friends, knuckle cracking is harmless. Got any more myths you want busted? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.